Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I know exactly what's in here. It's a knife that I've actually shown on this channel before, but there's something different about it. I'm going to share that with you guys here in just a sec. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. This knife will be linked right down in the description of this video, so you will be able to go and check it out for yourself. This is something that was sent to me by Off-Grid Knives. He mentioned that there was there's more than one thing in here. Okay, interesting. Let's open up this one first, because this is definitely what I was aware of, and it's also the thing that I was excited about. So this is, I guess we're gonna call this, yeah. Oh, you know what? No, this is different than what I had originally thought. This is called the Baby Rhino. But look at that coating on there. That's awesome. The steel is now Sandvik 14C28N, which is, I'm going to start saying, more desirable steel, because when we talk about value and pricing, it's really hard. Like, people more or less value certain things, and then there's, of course, the cost from, you know, like Off-Grid's cost when they purchase this steel from the manufacturer. So 14C28N, I don't want to speak for the entire knife community, but I think I'll say probably more desirable steel. So this is the mini version of the, excuse me, the larger Rhino, which has been shown on the channel. I didn't realize this is the mini one. Okay, interesting. I wasn't paying attention. The color of G10 here is, it's kind of a greenish gray. And then we have this sort of gray DLC, or that's what it looks like. And then, yeah, of course, the 14C28N steel. So, nice flipping action. Now, this is a truly little knife. So, we only have a 3-finger grip here. By the way, this is not a review. So many people confusing my unboxings for review. This is not a review. This is an unboxing. First impressions, right? So, I haven't really gathered my thoughts on this yet. I will review it and tell you guys what I think down the road, but this is just sort of an initial, like, here it is. It's available if you want to check it out, but I'm not reviewing it right now. It doesn't make sense to review something that you are first experiencing. So, yeah, it is definitely a little chunky knife. Definitely, I mean, yeah, this is a little tank. It literally feels like a little Rhino, right? Yeah, I do like the steel choice, and I like the color combination here. So what's this other? Let's open this up. All right. What is this called? The all-day fixie. Okay. I'm gonna guess a small fixed blade that can be paracord wrapped. Yeah, that's exactly what this is. So let's open this guy up. Let me just use the good old scalpel there. All right, we have, I'm under the, so where I'm sure you guys heard that car start up. Where I am working right now, my dungeon is literally down into the left of the garage. So what you're hearing is my wife leaving. So here you go. All day fixie. What do we have here? We have Cryo D2 on this guy, which might be a better choice for a fixed blade. I don't know. As it sits like this, it's not comfortable, but this is obviously meant to be paracord wrapped, in which case it would become substantially more comfortable. So for those of you who like smaller fixed blades, you could probably call this a neck knife. I don't know. I don't carry neck knives, right? It's not part of my, EDC. There's some, actually, it comes with some paracord for you to do that. And then, is it a molly clip, right? Something like that. Yeah, so there you go. EDC sized fixed blade. Pretty cool. I don't know. I'm not the biggest fan of teeny tiny little fixed blades. You guys might get a review on that one, and you might not. I'm not totally sure yet. You'll definitely get a review. I'm definitely going to carry this guy and kind of decide what I think about it and then give you guys a full review. So yeah, you'll definitely get a full video on that. But as far as checking them out right now, that is 100% up to you. In any case, I do appreciate Off-Grid Knives for sending these in for me to take a look at. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex. So go right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.